In this video, we're going to show you how to check the monitor model in Windows 11 so you can easily identify the exact display you're using without needing the original packaging. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and type Settings into the search bar. Open the Settings app from the list of results to begin customizing your system preferences. Step 2. In the Settings window, make sure you are in the System tab on the left-hand side. If not, click on System to access options related to display, sound, power, and more. Step 3. Under System Settings, click on Display. This section controls how your monitors are arranged and how visuals are shown on your screen. Step 4. Scroll down and click on the option called Advanced Display. This will open a new page showing detailed information about each connected monitor. Step 5, here you will see the name and model of your monitor listed at the top. It may also include the resolution, refresh rate, and which graphics adapter it's connected to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tips.